The topic of today's video is how to send Bitcoin on Crypto.com to an external wallet. So here we are on the Crypto.com app, and what we want to do is navigate to the account section on the bottom left. In here we're going to click on Crypto, and then we'll click on Transfer, choose External Wallet, and then we want to go to the top right and click on the plus icon if your wallet is not here already. Here we'll select the cryptocurrency that this wallet is for that we're about to add. And here we're going to paste our wallet address. So get that from whatever app you are using, and then type in the name of your wallet and hit continue. Here we'll just say, yes, I trust this address, and it'll prompt you to sign in or use your passkey. And now your new wallet should pop up. Click on it and then click on confirm and withdraw. And then you want to put in the amount of BTC you want to send, either in your current currency or in BTC, and click on withdraw. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.